Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have today in my shop new customer, new Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive. It's 2011. This one has approximately 147,000 miles. It has those awesome seats, which I will say are very nice to sit in. They're very supportive. I like this style really a lot. It's a manual V6 vehicle. On the test drive, it's driving normally. I will say everything's fine. It has a flashing and tire pressure light which becomes steady. I just started with inspection. The cabin air filter was like brand new, but there was a bunch of hay on top of it like this, so that's interesting. No red poop, just all that hay. So I'm trying to start here in the engine bay, and ooh, look, Toyota Racing Development air intake. I didn't see this one before. The pipe continues, it's TRD. Here it says TRD air intake kit 1GR system part are legal in 50 states for emission controlled vehicles. So I'm assuming this was done by the dealer. We can see the vehicle engine and everything. It's kind of dusty. I already vacuumed a bunch of stuff from there. So I said I'm starting. So this is something new. I want to share it with you. You fans might be interested in it too. It has this. I will not like this system. I don't favor it. I think it's like for grandmas, not for people who are interested in performance parts. But whatever. Let's go. How is it clean inside? So this is new owner to this vehicle. I probably didn't say it. I think he bought it like months ago. I'm not sure how much he is into these things. I'm assuming it was installed by the previous owner. So let's go and see what's up with this. What kind of filter? If it's like K&N reusable, or what is this? Yeah, it starts looking like that. Ho ho ho. Okay, so this is the clean side, which never really tells you much. Looks pretty okay, and I think this is the copy of K&N. Well, too bad looking on this side. How can I show you these details? Do you see it? Holy moly, this is no good. I wonder, continuing from here, I really wonder how looks the mouth and the throttle body. This is serious layers of mud dust, probably oil from oiling these filters. I'm assuming. I never read about these, saw them, so I'm assuming Toyota does the same. Like K&N, you have the cleaning set, and then you have that oil to very slightly oil this. So that's too bad. This is no good. We will put it back. We are just doing inspection, telling the person the shape of the vehicle, and he will have to talk to me about these things, and we will have to make some conclusion of this. Let's go together and really quickly pop off this cover and see what you normally don't see. Aha! So look, there is that entire TRD system. There is another Toyota part. This is all TRD Toyota. This looks nasty, as we expected. There are special screws on it, different ones. The throttle body, it will be all crazy. And hopefully the new owner is interested in maintaining his vehicle correctly. I already doubt that, seeing this purolator thing from the oil stops. These are the cheapest and the worst filters you can put on this engine. This clutch fluid is black, absolutely black, you can already see it. So maybe he's on the mission. See that? Maybe he came with the good intentions and he will take care of this baby. How much sludge we have here. Aha. Aha. Didn't we just said he just bought it? Aha. Aha. What do you say? Aha. I cannot even see inside. If it was just a sludge, that will be good. What are we having here, huh? Put it in the comments. Before you will put in comments the answer what is happening to this engine, let's look on the engine oil lipstick. If the same mess is down in the pan. The oil seems to be just dirty, but I don't see or smell presence of the coolant here, so that will be interesting. With all that milkshake underneath that engine oil filler cap, I can wait what you guys will say about that. And I thought I was just filming for you TRD air intake for Tacoma. So thank you for watching and please share your comments underneath the video. See you later, my friend.